What's going on, brother? What's going on?
Boy, what's going on, brother?
Yes, everything blessed, everything blessed. Appreciate you. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for putting this together. Thank you for keeping your answers brief enough to get to all of us.
Now, I was able to remove a lot of stuff from TransUnion, from my personal information, one address, one number, because I had like about literally at least 50 numbers on there, telephone number wise. You know how it is when you get a new phone every year, you're always changing numbers and all that, way back in the days. But anyway, it's down to one numbers. TransUnion took everything off. I got everything taken off in TransUnion. Equifax, same as well.
All right. Hey, an Experian, okay, Faction and TransUnion, they did everything they were supposed to do. They took off addresses or addresses and phone numbers stuff.
Oh, I had a pretty awesome day. I got as far as like my personal information, they wiped them out on all three of them because apparently my last name is spelled my legal name is Jurado, but they had me as on a G, then they had me as Orlando Heraldi, then they had my old addresses like in Miami, Florida, Hawaii. Like it was a list of addresses. And I'm like, I don't live there anymore. And I got my social security to be removed.